Hey, it's the Iman Production Inc. And I'm going to be showing you how to make a cardboard, hard, non-shoot throwable, airsoft shield. It's very easy. What you'll need is a big piece of cardboard, so you don't mess up the floor. Super big piece of cardboard for the shield. You need 2 layers of it. You need newspaper, tape, flour, cup, water, bowl. Okay, so first you want to do is you want to push all the tubes out of the way. You want to get your cardboard and get 2 pieces out. I'll rip this off with the X-Acto knife. It's not really worth anything. Take it off. I'm watching SpongeBob, so I guess I'll turn it on later and watch SpongeBob while making a shield. Very weird, I know, some people may say. So here's the extra piece cut off. Exactly knife. Okay, this is only 1 piece. Hello. At least try to cut this off. If you can't, it's okay. You don't need to if you don't want to. I don't want to because it kind of be bothering. Yeah, the most important part is you need a hot glue gun with hot glue. My pistol right now. It freezes in the middle of doing wait for part 2, so it can't play it, so I have to do the whole thing over, but I can't because I only have 1 piece of big cardboard, so hopefully it doesn't freeze enough to do that again. So, if your computer starts freezing and pausing and stuff, it's not your computer. And yeah, so my computer freezes a lot. Hopefully it won't. Right on. I only want to. It's really weird. You have nothing to do, not much to eat. kind of gets boring after a while. Okay, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna be watching. Don't want to do that. I have to clean up with the sleeper because they're gonna make a pretty big mess. Thank you. Watch part 2. Bye.